friends, today we will do sequencing with Scrat.
So you need to go to Chrome and type code.org. You have to sign in. So I'll sign out to show you. So you have to sign in. And then, so ask your parents to create your account. And for now, I'll just write my email or username. And I'll write my passcode. So you press course catalog and press grades K-5. And then you press K course A. So you press 1. It says videos there. So you can watch it, but I won't for now. So it says to get Scrat to the acorn, snap the east block to the bottom of the when one block, then press run. Okay. So you can press it and connect it. And then you press run. Ta-da! So it says snap both east block to the bottom of the when run block to finish your code. Then click run. So you connect this and you connect that. Let's see. Ta-da! It says grab a north block to the tool block to add it to the bottom of other blocks to finish the code, and then click run. So it's just an east. Just click the north block and drag it all the way there and connect it. You can do it by step, but I'll just press run. Ta-da! It says east, south. Look, it says go south, east. If it goes south, it'll fall into water and he will freeze. So we have to throw the south block and then press run. Ta-da! And then it says east, it'll go over here. So we need to go down. So that means we need to take a south block. It means all about the arrow. Ta-da! So it says try this one all by yourself. So it goes this way. What this looks like it goes over here. So that means we need 2 blocks out west. And press run. Today's lesson, we did episode 2. And have a good day. Bye.